In this video, I'm going to show you how we can add a button element to your landing page. So the very first thing you're seeing here is my editor screen, and to add a button, I just click on Add Element. You can also click on the plus sign, go to Components, and inside Elements, you'll see the sixth element, which is Button. So let's go over two important things here. First is designing, and second is how I can use this button in multiple ways. Okay, so let's start with the basic design part. To work on the design, you just need to click on the settings section. Go to the brush icon, and here you'll see the basic settings. In these background or button settings, you can change the text of the button. Sign up now! Okay, so that's how you can change the text of this button. If you want to change the text here, you can do that too. If I want to increase the size, you can adjust the sizing as well. If you want it to be extra bold, multi, or semi-bold, you can play around with those options however you like. If you want to add themes, you can do that and pick any color or theme you want. Okay, and if you want to make it capitalized or uppercase, this is how you do it. This is how you can do this as well. Letter spacing is basically the space between two letters. So you can see that the distance between the letters is increasing. Similarly, with line spacing, this will increase the space between the lines. But let's keep it the same as the default setting it had before. So let's set this to 2. Okay. And if you want to change the background color of this, you can just play around with it too. Pink, purple, this one, that one, whatever color you like. You just need to add it right here then. For the spacing part, if you want to add spacing at the top and bottom, you can adjust that as well. Apart from the sizing, you just need to drag, and if you want to do things like that, you can do it too. In the effects section, you can add a border, shadow, and all those things as well. So that's how you can do it if you want to make the edges a little curvy, and you can do that. You can also add a shadow here in the back button settings. If I go back to it again, you'll find the subtext and the icon as well. You can also add an icon right next to the Sign Up Now button if you want. To add subtext, let's leave a few spots open, so that's how you can add that too. I'll just select Roboto, increase the size, and if I want to make it bold, I'll just bold it. So that's how you can play around with the entire text, the whole button, and the color theme as well. And last but not least is the icon. If you want to add an icon to your landing page or your button, this is how you can do it. Once I click on it, you can see the icon here. If you want to increase or decrease the size of this icon, you can just do it if you want to add spacing, if you want an arrow, and there are all kinds of different variations you can use, just like this. So this is how it can be done. This is how the most challenging part, which is designing a button, is done. This is how it can be done. So you can experiment with the design and create your own styles using this button. Second, let's talk about the advanced settings and what this button can do for us. I can set this button to redirect to end page. So you can see these options right here. I just need to enter the URL and it'll redirect me to the next step. Once someone clicks on it, it will take them to that specific URL. This is the first thing. Second, if you have created a pop-up on your landing page, so here, you just need to create a pop-up. So if I have created a pop-up, you can select the pop-up right here. And once someone clicks on it, the pop-up will appear on the landing page itself. Third, if you have set up a proper funnel, you can just add the funnel product here. Similarly, in a normal digital ad, if you have one product that you are selling, you can also connect the direct product as well. We've created a lot of products. If you want to scroll to a specific section or a specific element, you just need to select this as well. So it will take you to that specific section. Once someone clicks on it, it will take them to the section you selected. Last but not least, there are callable links. If you want to add your WhatsApp number, Messenger, Telegram, Skype, email ID, or phone number, when someone clicks on it, it will perform the actions you specified here. For example, if you have added your WhatsApp number, so I have added my WhatsApp number, if the user or customer clicks on this button, it will take that specific action and open the WhatsApp channel because you added the button. It will take you directly to that WhatsApp chat. This is how advanced features work. This is how redirection can happen with the help of a button. And these are the basic settings and design options for what you can add to the button as well. Thank you.